Thank you, Jesus. Let your glory fill this place. Let your all-consuming fire fill this tabernacle and purify our hearts. Surround us in this place. Want you to breathe new life within us. Send a refreshing love, purify our hearts. Let your glory fill.
Let your glory fill this place.
Let your all-consuming fire, yeah,
Fill this tabernacle.
yeah.
Purify our hearts.
Surround us in this
Surround us in this place.
breathe new life.
Breathe new life.
Oh, within us, Jesus. Oh, yes. Come on, let's ask for the rain tonight. Let's ask for the rain. Say rain on us.
Rain on us.
Somebody needs him to breathe. Oh, shower down. Shower down. Send your spirit, Lord. Oh, rain. Lord, breathe on your people tonight. Shower down. Shower down. Send your spirit, Lord. Let your glory fill. Let your all-consuming fire fill. Yeah, purify. Surround us in this place.
Surround us in this place.
Breathe new life within us. Yeah. Come on, let's ask for the rain all over the house tonight. Yeah.
Rain on us.
Oh, breathe. Jesus. Shower down. Shower down. Send your spirit, Lord. Yeah. Rain. Hallelujah. Lord, breathe. Oh, shower down. We need your power. Send your spirit, Lord. Breathe on us. Shower down. 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 You're healing. You're anointed. We're hungry. Shower down. Shower down. Send your spirit, Lord. Let your glory fill. Let your all-consuming fire, Jesus, purify. Surround us in this place. Breathe, breathe new life, Jesus.
Send a refreshing glory.
Hey.
Saturate our hearts.
Come on, just Slip that hand in. We see your glory. We see your glory, Lord. You're high and you're lifted up, and your train fills the temple. We worship you, we worship you, we worship you, we worship you. Oh, we worship you. Oh, we bow down in your presence as the angels do, and we cry, holy, 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 oh, holy, holy, oh, we see your glory. Let it be revealed in this place. Hey, do let it be revealed. Show yourself. We want to really, really, really know you, Lord. So we worship you. How we worship your majesty, dominion, power, it belongs to you.